If you do amigurumi and you like Halloween, you've come to the right place. I've got 15 crochet amigurumi patterns starting now. All of these patterns can be found on Ravelry.com. Now the first one we have here is called Freaky Halloween Mummy Amigurumi by Stringy Ding Ding. This is a really cute mummy. Look at the little face. And it doesn't look like it would take very long to make. And this is by Stringy Ding Ding. This pattern is available for free on her blog. The next one we have is called Vampire Amigurumi by B. Mira. And they used a 2.5 millimeter hook on this adorable little vampire. Look at his teeth. So cute. Any Halloween lover would love this. And this is also available on their blog if you click the link right down here at the bottom. So cute. Next we have Spooky Halloween Trio Amigurumi, and this is a free Ravelry download, so you can just print out the PDF or save it right to your computer. And this is using a 3.75 millimeter hook and Aran weight yarn. Aren't these a cute little trio? Little witch, a ghost, and a pumpkin. And somebody added a little nose to this witch. Look how they made this door hanging right here, and they added all three. What a cute idea that is. I love to look at all the different variations that everyone does with the patterns here on Ravelry. So cute. This is called Crochet Ghost Keychain Plushie, and this is also a free Ravelry download. And these would be great for craft shows. Looks like these are using blanket yarn. And they're a little bit bigger, of course. Then we have Gregory the Ghost Kitty. This is a free Ravelry download as well, and he's holding a little pumpkin. This looks like a really simple, easy to make amigurumi for Halloween. And look at all the little pumpkins. I don't know about you, but I love cats. They're using sport weight yarn and 80 to 100 yards on this adorable little animal. Now here we have Mini Frank Amigurumi, and it says that it's a $3 download, but you can get it for free on her website. And this is by Anna Carolina Figueredo. Isn't that cute? Look at his little stitches. He's adorable. I love Frankenstein. He's got little bolts coming out of his forehead. And this is using a 2 millimeter hook. And if you want it free, look here where it says also available for free info and notes. So there you go. You can scroll down to the very bottom and click right here, and then it will take you right to the free pattern. Then we have a Witch's Cauldron. This is by Maro Cackley. Look at that. So cute. Love the little bobble stitches. Looks like bubbles coming up from the cauldron. This is using DK weight and a 2.5 millimeter hook, and it is a free pattern if you just click the link right here at the very bottom. There you go. Plague Doctors are very popular right now, and this is a free Ravelry download, and it's called Plague Doctor Amigurumi by Akabeko Botan, Akabeko Botan. And here's the cute little Plague Doctor Amigurumi. And their kitty is sleeping with it. How cute. And this is a free Ravelry download. Next, we have a large mummy amigurumi. This is super adorable. This would be a great doll to give someone for Halloween. And this is using DK weight and a 2.5 millimeter hook. You need $3.99 to 400 yards. It's available in both US and UK terms. And it is designed by Joanne Marris, M-A-R-R-I-S. That is so sweet. Looks like she loves her little mummy. I like it that it's a little bit larger. That's really, really cute. And so if you scroll down here, it says also available for free info and notes, and scroll all the way to the bottom and then click this link right here to get to your free mummy pattern. Then we have the Mini Witch Amigurumi by Anna Carolina Figueredo. And this is using a 2 millimeter hook, and it is for free on her blog. Oh, is she ever cute? I love the color of her hair. Just adorable. This is available for free if you scroll all the way down to the very bottom and click the link. There you go. Next, we have Amigurumi Candy Corn, and this is by Grace and Yarn using Aran weight yarn and a 3.5 millimeter hook. You need 50 to 60 yards. You can put faces on them, or you could just leave them blank. I like the faces. These are really cute, and you can get them for free. It says right here, if you scroll down to the bottom and click the link at the bottom here, and that will take you right to the pattern for your Amigurumi Candy Corn. Now, we all know that black cats are popular for Halloween, and this is called Halloween Kitty Bean by K Hook Creations. This would be so quick and easy to work up. And this would also make a fun little gift. Or look, they made a little garland out of these kitties. I love that. And they put little stripes on the back. Really cute. And this is available for free if you scroll down and click the link at the bottom. And here you go. Next, we have Itty Bitty Bat Amigurumi by Lucy Collin. And this is using DK weight and a 3.5 millimeter hook. These would be quick too. I think bats are really cute as long as they're not flying in my hair. And scroll down to the bottom and click the button. And your free pattern is linked right here at the very bottom. Next, we have Pennywise the Clown Amigurumi. Now, this is free on her blog by Yasmina Niblas. Ooh, is that ever creepy? There's Pennywise with his balloon, and there he is without. Ooh, that's scary. And it is using worsted weight yarn, a 3 millimeter and a 4 millimeter hook, and it measures 31 centimeters tall. It is for free if you scroll down to the bottom and you just click the link to the blog. There you go. And then we have Mini Evil Witch Amigurumi by Jonas Matthews. And this is using sport weight yarn and a 2.5 millimeter hook. What a cute little palm-sized witch. Oh my goodness. Is she cute with her little broom? Look at that. She's adorable. She looks so cute. So this is available in English, German, and Spanish. And if you scroll down here, it says it's for free. And you can click the link at the very bottom of the listing for your free pattern. I hope that you enjoyed these free crochet amigurumi patterns. Thank you for stopping by. And don't forget, I do go live every Tuesday and Friday at 1 o'clock Central Standard Time, and I always have free patterns. Have a great day, everyone. Hey, don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Bye.